Hey FitFam, happy Sunday. Today it is Sunday, May 26th. No, I lied, May 25th. So I didn't really do much today. Well, I did a little bit. I cleaned the whole place. Yeah, that's all I did. I cleaned my whole apartment, did some laundry. Right now I'm about to feed my cats, get dressed for work, and then head out the door. I literally have 15 minutes to do all that. But I just wanted to say happy Sunday. This is the beginning of our week. We're gonna have a very productive week, but we'll cover all of that tomorrow because right now, homegirl don't got time for that. So, all right, so I'm about to get ready for work. I'm just going to pick out my uniform. This hair, oh my God, when I tell you I'm so over this hair, it's not even funny because why do I look like a crazy woman? It's uniform bottoms. Okay, you know what? I have 2 jobs and I never know which one I'm going to. That is a problem, let me tell you. Let me see. I think I'm going to my PRN. Actually, I have 2 PRN positions. So, one at the hospital and one at my rehab facility. But yes, it's always cold, so I always layer. It's better to layer and be hot than to not layer and be cold and you don't have nothing to cover up with. That is the worst. So I'm making these kids, hey, get off my counter, get down. Foolish. Y'all, I'm telling you right now, I have 3 cats and it's been an interesting ride because these kittens do not get along. I'm cat sitting for my cousin who went to Africa. She gave me her female cat, and I promise you, it's been something trying to deal with all of it. Get off my counter! Leon, who are you? Get off my counter! Oh my God, what? See, y'all, my cats are so big. I really think I overfeed them. I really need to stop. Yeah. Come on. Fam, I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm about to head off to work. Happy New Week. Bye. Hey fam. So, you would not believe what happened to me, okay? Your girl decided to come home this morning, play with her cats, okay, went to bed late, and then overslept. I slept my whole day away. Right now, it is 6:37, and I haven't done nothing, not a thing. Makes no sense. So I'm about to, I'm gonna season my meat, still didn't do that. So I'm gonna season my protein, feed my cats, and then go to the gym, come back, meal prep. Yeah. Anyways, we're still gonna do this, okay? We're still gonna do this. So let's just do the best we can. All right, y'all, so dishes washed, chicken and fish seasoned and back in the fridge. When I get back from the gym, I'm going to bake it. I think I'm gonna bake. I think I might cook the chicken, but I might bake the fish. Haven't decided yet. It's crazy. All right, let me get ready for the gym real quick. Yo, tell me why I was just, today is Monday, May 26th. I was just scrolling on my timeline on Instagram, and when I tell you all the girlies are in their fitness bag, I can't even be mad. It's so motivating that I cannot let this Monday go by without getting a workout in, because fam, have you seen Miss Jackie Aina? Mama Jackie, Miss Jackie, man. Oh my gosh, she is looking so good. Her body is tea. And I'm just like, Jackie is outdoing the girls and leaving no crumbs when I tell you. So my girl just motivated me, and I'm like, girl, we really got to buckle down. We have to buckle down and get to work, because what? Jackie is running circles around us, and it's just crazy. Jackie is looking so good. I'm just so happy that she's showing that you have to prioritize your health no matter what you do. Okay, you cannot be out here just looking any kind of way. Just, you know, just kill. She is killing it in every arena. And I'm just so glad to be in an era where Jackie is setting examples, and we are just trying to keep up, fighting for our lives to keep up. And I love that. I love that for her. I'm just so happy. And the way she's becoming a muscle mommy, yes, because, you know, that's what we're all striving to be. Ignore, if you can see this basket of laundry, okay, I'm working on it. I'm the type who do laundry for like months, okay? So I'm still working on my laundry. All right, we're gonna go do like two to three exercises. We're not gonna go crazy. It's gonna be light work. I'm gonna do leg extensions, lightweight. I don't know about no leg curls. My hamstrings are killing me. Probably lateral lunges, just because I feel like the outer legs are not sore. Or hip adduction. Ooh, I got it. So we're gonna do leg extensions, hip adduction and adduction. And I think that's gonna be it, because those are three exercises. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. Light and easy. Yeah. Trying to run into Walmart before it closes. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just need a few things. Okay. Oh, those cheeses look so good. I'm so hungry.
RTMS.
Hey FitFam, how you guys doing? So today is Tuesday and I haven't been that productive today. Well, I stayed up really late last night meal prepping on Monday night, so I fully meal prep. I have all my food. I'm about to run to the gym and do a 30 minutes cardio session, and then I'm gonna come home, feed my cats, take a quick shower, and go to work. They're the one making noise. Hey, Leo. I don't know what my cat's problem. They have been eating so much more today. Hi, love bug. What's wrong? Anyway, so I'm about to run to my community gym because I can't drive anywhere right now. I don't have the time. So I'm gonna do literally a 30 minutes cardio session. Okay, anyway, so 30 minutes, something is better than nothing. That's the type of flow I am. I'm not gonna miss a day. If I can fit into 5 minutes something, I will, because I'm really trying to get back, get right and get back. Get back and get right. All right. All right, y'all. I'm about to head home. I just did a 20 minutes cardio session. At least something is better than nothing. I feel so good, a little sweaty. I'm about to run home, feed my cats, take a shower, and get ready for work. Today was a very simple day. It was productive in the sense that I meal prepped, but I feel like I didn't do as much as I planned to do, like this hair. This is what I always do. I always stall when I know I need to do something, and I'm really stalling on my hair because I know it's such a commitment to do it myself. You know, if circumstances was different, I would get somebody to do it. But honestly, even if I got somebody to do my hair, I still wouldn't be happy. But, all right. I probably still wouldn't be happy. I'll be trying to control them. So it's just better for me to do my own hair. But anywho, I'm on my way home.